Hi all, welcome to JST Creation Crochet. This is Sudha. Let's see how to make this bunny storage box coaster. Let's begin. To begin, start with the magic ring loop and make one chain to secure that loop. Pull the yarn to make the circle smaller and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 single crochet. Pull the yarn to make the circle smaller and make a slip knot on the first single crochet. Round 1 completed. Chain 1 and make 1, 2 single crochet on the same stitch, and on the second stitch secure the yarn also, 2 single crochet. Continue this sequence, 2 single crochet on each stitches. Total number of stitches is 16. Round number 2. Slip stitch and complete the round 2. Now round 3, single crochet on the first stitch and 2 single crochets on the second stitch, 1 single crochet on the third stitch and 3 double single crochets on the fourth stitch. Continue the sequence and slip stitch on the first single crochet. Round number 3 complete. Now round number 4, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet on the third stitches. Now fourth stitch 1 single crochet, on the fifth stitch 1 single crochet, on the sixth stitch 2 single crochet. Continue this sequence. 1, 2 single crochets. Round number 4 completed with the slip stitch. Now chain 1, move on to round number 5, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet on the third stitch, on the fourth stitch 1 and 2 single crochet increase. Now again 1, 2, 3 and increase slip stitch on the third chain. Chain 1, make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet on the next stitch. 1 single crochet and make 2 single crochet increase. Here 3 times 1 single crochet, on the fourth stitch make an increase. Slip stitch on the first stitch. Row number 6 complete. Now chain 1 and move on to the next stitch. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Row number 7, 8, 9 is going to be 1 single crochet. Now row number 10, make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and 1 single crochet on the third stitch, and fourth stitch we are going to make a decrease. Pull the yarn and make another stitch, pull the yarn and make a decrease. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet on the next stitch, and 1 single crochet on this third stitch, and fourth and fifth is going to be a decrease. Continue the sequence. stitch marker and make slip stitch on the first single crochet. Again chain 1, row number 11, put the stitch marker, it's easy. Make one single crochet on the next stitch and make one decrease. One single crochet on the next stitch, one single crochet on the next stitch, two single crochet, hold it and make a decrease. Now make slip knot on the first stitch. Row number 12, chain 1, put the stitch marker, one single crochet, make a decrease again. Here one single crochet, decrease. Row number 12. One single crochet and make a decrease. Continue this sequence. Slip stitch on the first stitch. Now stuffing time. Row number 13, turn the work and make decrease on first stitch and second stitch on one decrease and chain 1 and make chain 1 and make another decrease on the third and fourth stitches. Complete this phase with decrease. Now going to make ears. For the ears, make a magic ring and secure it with one chain. Now going to make one single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 single crochet on the magic ring. Pull the yarn and secure it with slip stitch. Row number 2, chain 1, one single crochet on the same stitch, one single crochet, there are 2 single crochet on the first stitch, on the second stitch one single crochet, third stitch one single crochet, and on the fourth stitch again 2 single crochet. 2 single crochet on the same stitch. Now 5th stitch, going to make 1 single crochet and on the 6th stitch also 1 single crochet. Here the total number of stitches is 8. Move to row number 3, chain 1. One single crochet, one single crochet on the next stitch, another single crochet on the next stitch, and make 1 single crochet on each stitches. Row number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rows is going to be 1 single crochet on each stitches and make 2 same like this. So we need for ears. Continue this. One is completed, make another one to make. Now going to make legs. This is also 2. So make one first. Chain 1 on the magic ring and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull the yarn to make the circle 6, 7, 10 single crochet, 11 and 12 single crochet on the magic ring. Now pull the yarn and slip stitch on the first stitch. Chain 1 and move on to second row. 1 single crochet, row number 2, make 1 single crochet on each stitches. Row number 2 to row number 10, make 1 single crochet on each stitches. Now I have reached up to row number 10. Now I am going to finish it. The row number 10 is completed. Now I am going to put some stuffing inside that leg. Now row number 11, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next stitch. So I make a decrease here. On the third and fourth stitches I'm going to decrease. Now on the fifth stitch 1 single crochet, sixth stitch also 1 single crochet, and 7th and 8th stitches is going to be a decrease. Row number 11 completed. Slip stitch with the slip stitch. Row number 12 is going to be 1 single crochet and decrease. Second and third stitches are going to be decrease. So continue the sequence and complete this work. Have to make another 2 legs and 2 ears has to be done. Going to be 1 decrease only. Make 1 decrease, and the next 2 stitches is going to be a decrease. Complete it. Now fixing time. On the third stitch from the beginning, make ears, stitch the ears with them, place it and stitch it with a needle and thread, and same on the other side. On the third stitch, fix that second ear. Now we are going to make the base. I already made the circles. Now I'm going to make another set of rows. This is going to be front loop single crochet. Here I have made 6 rows of base, so we can make it more. Front loop single crochet, just making slip knot, and move on to the second row, chain 1 and make single crochet on each stitches. Now fixing time, just place them face on top of that basket and stitch it. I'm going to stitch it this, so stitch it, or you can paste it either, and place those 2 legs also on top of this basket. Done. Thank you for watching.